In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to a PDF using Canva. Now, there are a ton of reasons why you may want to do this. You may want to link it up to your website, your social media accounts, a specific blog post, a shop. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have a document that I sent out to people who buy a template from my Etsy shop. It has 3 links in it. The first one is to link to the templates. The second one is to link to Canva's website, and the third one is a tutorial I made on how to edit Canva templates. So to add the link to Canva, we're just going to highlight the text where it says www.canva.com. I'm going to go to this top bar at the top where it says more, the 3 black dots, and I'm going to go to this little double chain link here. Now here you can either copy or paste in the link that you would like to add. So I'm just going to go www.canva.com, enter. So when you click on it, you can either click remove if you wanted to get rid of it, or go to link. So you can just do that. It's pretty good to just double check that the link is linking to where you want it to go to. And so that one's done there. Now we're going to link to my YouTube video here on how to edit the Canva templates. So I'm just going to click link, this double chain link again. I'm going to copy the link to my video and I'm just going to paste it in here. Okay, so now I've added my links to the text. You can also add links to images. So if I click an image, here is a photo. Here it's not a link that I actually add, but it's just a link for an example. So I'm just going to click the link. And up here on this top bar it says this double chain link here, and we're just going to say link it back to Canva as well. Now that we've added the links, we've added links to our text here and our image, we're just going to go and download our PDF. So we want to download it as a PDF, and we're just going to click download. Okay, so now I have downloaded the PDF, and we can just check that our links are all working. So here, if I click on this image, it should open up Canva's website. Then if I go back here, and if I click here, it should link up to my YouTube video, which it does. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on Etsy and how to make a passive income online.